Hey guys, it's Ira. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this package right here. This package contains my new Sigma f1.4 16mm lens for my Canon m50 camera that I vlog with and that I take on my travel videos. I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys, testing it out, and then tomorrow I am going on a 4-day road trip to Vancouver Island. So if you are interested in watching that stuff, make sure you subscribe and tune in for that. I am blind right now because I don't have my contacts in because I got my eyelashes done and then glue got in my eyes, so they are super red. I don't know if you can like tell. So I don't want to put my contacts in just so my eyes can breathe, and then if I wear my glasses, this window is reflecting off my glasses, which makes it like super annoying. Yeah, so I'm gonna just do it blind. I don't even know if you can see it. I'm like the worst. I've never done an unboxing video. I don't know how. I've watched a bunch of them and I don't know, this is what they do. So I got this from Amazon. I don't want to tell you the price because it is too expensive for my liking. But I got a couple things in here. It's not just the lens. So I got the Sigma f1.4 16mm Canon EFM lens. Holy shit, that is a mouthful. But I got that plus an ND filter and a little like phone, what do you call it? Like a phone lens, just so that I can film like wide videos on my phone because I don't have an iPhone 11 Pro. So it came like this. I got it off Amazon. It was basically all the same price everywhere I looked, but Amazon I have 2-day shipping, so I needed it for my trip tomorrow. This is the ND filter that I was talking about. I'll get into that later. And then the lens for my phone, and then this is lens. Oh my god, look at that. Focus. There it is. So let's unbox the lens first. Hopefully it's EFM. Hopefully I bought the right one. So the reason why I chose this lens was because of the f1.4 aperture. So it came with all these like papers, and then it comes in like this little cardboard case thing, and then it just opens up. Oh my god. Ready, guys? Here is the lens. Oh my god. It is so beautiful. And it's freaking massive. Okay, this is the lens right here. And it comes with like this little shade thing. But this is the beauty. It's right here. So the reason why I chose this lens was because of the f1.4 aperture. And then that just gives you like the blurry background. So right now I am shooting at 3.5, and then it is also really good for low light. So if you see in some of my old videos, if I'm filming later in the day or if I'm filming at nighttime, then it gets like super grainy. With that being said, with an f1.4 aperture, basically the hole is much bigger, which lets more light in, and also you'll have blurry background. But the thing is, because more light is entering the lens, you are going to need a ND filter for it. So this is the K&F Concept neutral density filter, 67mm, because that is what fits on the lens here. I'll link everything that I got down below. So basically what this does is it blocks the light from going into your camera, so it acts as sunglasses for your camera. Like, I was reading stuff and you need this. I'm like acting like I know what I'm talking about, but I literally watched YouTube videos on it. So if you want like professional advice, then like go to like a tech channel, but this is what I just discovered on my own. So basically you just need to put this on if you're filming outdoors in the light, which I always do when I'm out traveling and doing adventures. So if I want to use this lens, I needed to buy this ND filter, and this ND filter was one of the cheaper ones. It was only $30. Comes in like a little plastic case, which is good. Open it up, and then there it is. This is what it looks like. It's straight up like just black. I think I'm gonna unbox this for you guys too, might as well. So these are just clip-on lenses for your phone. There's different ones for different phones, but it works for most phones, I think. But you put the lens on here, obviously, and then you just like clip it to your phone like that, and then it'll work. It comes with 3 lenses: fisheye lens right here, a wide lens, and a macro lens. So that's pretty sick. This is like a really cool like carrying case. Like you just screw it on. I'll link it all below so you guys can like check it out. So this is me filming on my Canon M50 with the kit lens of 15 to 45 milliliter. The 15 to 45 millimeter. Oh my god, I don't even know what I'm doing right now, which is not bad, but wait until you see this. Alright guys, so this is the new lens right now. I don't even know if there's a difference because I can't see. I'm gonna try. Alright, so this is what it looks like shooting at f1.4 without a neutral density filter. So as you can see, it's just like super blown out. That is the little unboxing. Now my room is a total mess, but what do you guys think? Do you guys like the new lens? Is it worth it? I don't even know. I can't even tell. But yeah, I'm going to be testing it out and vlogging around with it. So if you are interested in that, then continue watching this video. Hey guys, so I lied. I didn't end up filming anything that day, so if you'd like to see me test out my new lens, then be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video where I'll be going to Vancouver Island. Comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.